these fish darting around me. They're so fast, they're zooming all over. Oh, fish just jumped. Pretty large jujube top snail right here, very pretty. It's a lot more seaweed over here than I expected, but it's so beautiful. Nice pile right here, 2 nutmegs right away. Nice colors on those guys. An olive, a murex. So a lot in this section. The lightning whelk. Nice looking pear whelk right here. Pretty. I think I'll leave that. Nice little king's crown conch and a banded tulip right next to it. Super cute little shells. Nice colored chestnut turban. Nice king's crown right here. A little worn, but still very cute. Out to another cool little section. Little cone, little Florida cone. Oop, dropped it, of course. Nice lightning whelk, very beautiful. Nothing inside. Pretty big apple murex right here with a little pinkish lip. Short eye moon snail. Juvenile Florida fighting conch. And a nutmeg. Cool little section right here. A tiny, tiny little oyster drill. Very cute. You know, I love. Look at the size of this apple murex. That is crazy. Ginormous. Cute little Dottie Nautica right here. In the row. Wolf snail. A shark eye. Another shark eye. I think I see. Oh, super old banded. I thought it was a true tulip. It's a pretty nice crown. What do we have here? This is gonna clean up nice. A beautiful Scotch bonnet.